Hello there and welcome to the Sourced Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Ash and I will be your host for this video. Now before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our future content. And feel free to check out all previous videos that we have on this channel via the links in the description down below. In this video, we will be looking at this machine right here, the Jura X3. Now, the difference between this machine and the smaller WE8 is that it has a larger 4-litre milk fridge and can make up to 150 12-ounce cups per day, while also making 2 drinks simultaneously. It has a 5-litre water tank and can work as a manual water fill or plumbed water fill machine. The Jura X3 is a great option for an easy setup, plug and play machine, which is easy to clean via the on-screen instructions, and our package also includes a 12-month parts and labour warranty. Now, if you have any other questions or you wish to browse the full range of products and services that we offer here at Sourced Coffee, you'll need to click on the link down below, which will take you to the Sourced Coffee website. We hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, and thank you so much for watching this video.